Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, today I'm going to talk about the replacement A rotors for the A bodies that have the factory Kelsey Hayes setup, late 65 all the way through 72. Factory fixed calipers on the spindle with the rarest bolts in the world, those shoulder bolts. We get people calling us all the time. So, as a lot of you know, in the beginning with disc brakes, up and through about 72, they were two-piece designs. Most people don't understand that. I've actually had one guy tell me that I was an idiot and his stuff was one piece, but he was the idiot. So, if you see a gap in the hat, this is the rotor hat, if you see a gap in the hat, you can bet your ass that it's a two-piece rotor. What do we mean by that? Rotor disc and the hub. Rotor disc and the hub. E-body, A-body. You see this 73 dart? See the hat? The hat doesn't have a parting line. That is a one-piece rotor. Well, they went to one-piece rotors in 73. So, when they were first designing these, they thought, why are we going to replace the whole thing when we can just replace the rotor disc? And so, that's how it was done in the beginning. And then for 20, 25 years, everybody went to one-piece rotors. They thought it was simpler, right? One-piece rotors. But now, what do you see today in our modern era, last 10, 15 years? Well, it's back to what? Rotor discs. The original people weren't that stupid after all, were they? No. So, people often ask, well, what do you mean by direct replacement? So, here's a factory A-body rotor. Has a little bitty 4-inch pattern. There's only 3 wheels I know of today that still had the 4-inch pattern. Krager still makes a set. Year One makes a rally copy. And the factory Steelies. Only 3 known on the planet. So, if you want to go to the standard 4.5-inch bolt pattern, get you a little better braking. It's a one-piece setup right here. And be able to fit all the wheels in the world, then that's what you need to do. And we call it a direct replacement. Here's a factory spindle with your A6 bearing. Some people today, younger kids, they don't know what direct replacement means because you have to modify so much shit now today that you buy. Cut the rotor 10 thousandths and do this, drill this, hone this. Well, so you take your factory rotor off, you put it on the concrete, and you take the Ram Man rotor and you put it on. This is it's the factory bearings, A6 and A2. The only thing that's different is the little old inner seal right there. We even send folks a little sheet. Of course, they throw that away like dudes do, and they call us up and go, what seal do I put in there, Ram Man? There you go. It's on. That's pretty fast, huh? Get you a new rotor. High performance one-piece rotor. And change the pattern. In one quick fail swoop. We're almost there. There you go. Rotor's right there in the middle. Right there in the middle of the notches. Slip your pads in and it's on. That's what I mean by direct replacement, and you can do this in minutes. So if you need some rotors for your A-body, upgrade your bolt pattern, or just go into a one-piece high-quality unit. We have them in a standard 4-inch pattern, yes. One-piece rotor in a 4-inch pattern, and a one-piece rotor in a 4.5-inch pattern. And I think we still have them in drilled and slotted also. Get you some badass rotors for that A-body. Bye. God bless you. God bless America. And happy moparing.